this delicious looking thing. This is pav bhaji. Hello everyone, welcome to Ashok Anand Vlogs. Today we are making pav bhaji. Do you like pav bhaji? Comment below if you like. Why are we making pav bhaji today? Do we need a reason to make pav bhaji? No, right? That's why. First, we chop some cauliflower and wash it well in water. Our ingredients here are 3 potatoes, 1 capsicum and 2 small carrots. We peel the potatoes first and rough cut the potato pieces and add them directly to the pressure cooker. After washing, we'll peel the carrots. Take care to peel it well and then chop them and then add them to the pressure cooker. Now add the cauliflower pieces. We will add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of haldi and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. We will now add 1 or 2 cups of water and close the pressure cooker. Now cook it under high flame for first whistle and then 2 whistles on low flame. Once the 2 whistles are done in low flame, let the cooker cool. We can see that all the vegetables have been cooked well and they have become soft. Now using a masher, we will mash all of it together. Now first half of the bhaji is done. Now to start the other part, we first get out all the mutter from its pods. We will split open the pods and then remove the mutter from inside them. Then we will rinse them well with water. We will take 2 onions and peel them first and then chop them like this. Now we have to saute the chopped onions. So we will take 2 tablespoons of oil and then put all the chopped onions inside them now like this. We will fry till the onions change their color into slight golden brown, not too much. While the onions are frying, we'll multitask a bit. We'll take 6 small tomatoes and then chop them roughly and then add to the mixer to create a puree. Our puree is done. Now we'll chop the capsicum. We'll first take the inside seeds out and then chop them into small pieces. We will also chop some coriander leaves like this after washing. Now that our ingredients are ready, we will go to the next step. Our onions have fried well, they have changed their color. We'll put half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste inside it and then stir well. Now we will add the chopped capsicum and the mutter. We will mix this around well. Now we'll add the tomato puree that we just prepared. And then we'll add some water to it and mix it well like this. Just so you don't forget, add a teaspoon of salt. Once we see that all the vegetables have cooked well, we will transfer the contents into the pressure cooker. As you recall, the pressure cooker had the cauliflower and other vegetables that was mashed. Now we have added that and mixed well. Now we will add 2 teaspoons of pav bhaji masala. Here I have taken Everest pav bhaji masala, which gives a good taste and flavor. So I add that here and then mix well now. After that, add a generous dollop of butter. That will give a very rich texture to it and also a good flavor. Now we have added some chopped coriander leaves as well. Now that our bhaji is finished, now we will toast some buns, pav, in butter. Spread a dollop of butter around the pan and then place the buns like this. Split the pav through the middle using a knife. And then now I am sprinkling some pav bhaji masala on the top. I have also added 2 coriander leaves in the middle. That gives a good smell and flavor. Finally, our pav bhaji is done. Just plate it and enjoy. As simple as that. Don't tell me this is hard. You have to make this once. Comment below if you have any doubts at all. I'll answer each and every one of them. So pav bhaji, like I was saying, it's done. So I'm going to try it. You have to try this at home. You have to try to believe it. I have no words. Excellent, amazing, too good.